Hey, I'm Charles from Pro Taper. This is our top of the line Evo handlebar. It's a 1 1/8 inch taper wall bar. It starts out here at the clamping point at 1 1/8 inch, tapers down to 7/8 of an inch, which is your standard OEM mounting for all your controls and everything will mount right up to this bar. What's different about the Evo, it's got a 4mm computer profiled wall design, and it's lighter than the competition, also allows a little bit more flex and feel for the rider. We've also got an inner tube coating that's unique. It's going to keep the corrosion, everything down inside the bar. We've also put plastic end caps here at the end of the bar. That's going to keep all the elements from getting out inside and any premature fatigue. We've got a left side knurling. It's going to help the left side grip adhere to the bar, keep it from spinning after it's been on there for a while. We've also got chemically applied graphics. These aren't a sticker. It's going to resist peeling, scratching, all that good stuff. It's going to stay looking good, better, longer. This is the same handlebar that led Ryan Dungey, Ricky Carmichael, Chad Reed, a host of other riders to championships in AMA, Supercross, and Motocross. Retail on the Evo bar is $89.99. Check out ProTaper.com for all the dimensions, applications, colors, everything we got available with the Evo bar.